If you have ever typed side also in TikTok, you've probably been promised fast cash from the comfort of your couch. But here is the catch. Some of those viral side hustles, they are completely scam. In this video, I'll be breaking down 5 real side hustle that actually make you money and 5 that waste your time or worse, your money. Let's get real and save your hustle. Her side hustle has over 6 billion views on TikTok, but experts say it's the most misleading finance hashtag on the internet. So which gig work and which one don't? Watch this video to the end. I have got success stories and red flags to help you dodge the traps. Number one that work is freelance writing and editing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, they have low barriers to entries. They are scalable and AI tools like ChatGPT make it research faster. Some freelancers earn 50 to 200 per article, especially in niche like tech finance. Two is print on demand. With ST or Redbubble, no inventory is needed to do that. You just need design. You can sell your t-shirts, mugs, and notebooks with AI-generated art or Canva templates, trending niches, and affirmation viral memes, even zodiac sign. 3 is notary or document signing agent. This is high in demand in real estate and legal markets. Some agents report $75 to $200 per appointment. Great for stay-at-home mom, parents, and even weekend warriors. Number 4 is social media management for small businesses. These local businesses need help posting but can't afford big agency. If you understand Instagram Reels or TikTok trends, you can charge 300 to 800 monthly per client. Number 5 is digital product sales like ebook template courses. Takes 100% passive income once created. Great for creators in productivity, parenting, or finance. One viral PDF can earn you money in your sleep. Use Gumroad, ST, or Payhi are great starting points. Now let's talk about the side hustles that don't even work anymore. The first one on my list is filling online surveys for cash. Why do they not work? They have low pay, endless span, and often sell your data. You are spending an hour for 50 cents. And that's if the site even pays at all. Another one is drop shipping. The market is oversaturated, long shipping time, poor customer review. Unless you have a strong brand or paid ads budget, it's tough to break through. The third one is Amazon automation, done for your store. Watch out if someone promised passive Amazon money without work. It's a red flag. The fourth one is crypto and MTF, flipping for quick gains. These are highly volatile, heavily manipulated, and filled with pump and dump scheme. Unless you are deep in the space, it's more gambling than side hustle. 5 is watching ads to earn money. Why not? It sounds too good to be true because it is, yes. You are usually selling your attention for pennies, probably 0.001 per ad. That's not hustle. That is distraction and waste of time. Here is what real side hustle experts say. If it sounds too easy, too fast, and too good, it probably is. Real side hustle take effort, but the payoff is worth it. Focus on skill, services, or products that solves problems. That's how you build long-term income. Drop cash in the comment if you have ever tried a side hustle that failed, or comment winning if you've got one that worked. And if you want a step-by-step guide to launch your own legit side hustle, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have got a full playlist coming your way. And hey, if you're serious, check the description. I have linked free tools and side hustle starter kit I personally recommend it. Thanks for watching. Remember, the hustle is real, but so are the trap. Be smart, stay skeptical, and always be on skill. See you in my next video. Bye.